Hello bikers, this video only gets better the longer you watch, so buckle up and enjoy. This biker was about to miss his highway exit. He gambled, took a huge risk, and ended up paying the price.
Are you serious? Open your eyes! Are you serious?
I didn't see you!
How could you not?
Seriously, I saw nothing!
What were you looking at?
I was looking at the street to turn!
That's exactly where I was.
Yeah.
You might have seen this video from another point of view, but here you'll see just how unnecessary it all was. Overtaking, stopping, obstructing traffic, and then claiming you're just trying to pass makes no sense.
What? Doing what you're doing right there, you got guys back there waiting on y'all. Hit us your ride and then we'll pull you up here. I'm just trying to go home and he's on the phone. Yeah, stop. You're stuck in front of us, okay? What do you mean? You want me to come in? I don't care who you want to call. You're starting trying to pick a fight. I'm starting trouble when you're riding a wheelie down the road. And that's my problem. Yeah. That's my problem.
Because I'm a professional at this shit.
You're a professional.
I'm a professional. Yes, I'm a professional.
Okay, buddy.
Get in your car and go the f on. We ain't bothering you. We ain't bothering you.
You weren't bothering me because you're blocking the road.
Thinks we were moving!
Me?
Go the home!
Okay, okay, buddy. That's cool. Whenever you think
It
it's
is
not bad enough, do something. You can do something. Go home.
Get back.
I ain't gonna hit nobody. I'm not into that. I just wanted to go home.
You need to get in your car.
Go home!
Is you just gonna be riding through the road like that? I'll put this block traffic now. Yeah, right. Defend whatever you want to defend. I don't give a f. Okay, good. Big man. I'm going home. Okay.
Get on your bike. Get on your bike. Get on your bike. Go home. Go.
But before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to never miss out. This biker lost his cool after a driver started yapping about how bad his riding was, even though his style was safe and fine.
Litters. The f are you going, dude? There's only one lane here. Can't fucking hear you. What? I'm sorry? Are you gonna give them to me? You can kiss my ass. I've been riding dirt bikes for 25 years. You should, hey, you should try and not throw your trash out on the ground, and you should obey lanes. There were 2 lanes there, buddy. There wasn't. Where were the lines for the second lane? That's not 2 lanes. You were in my lane. You're a moron. You can see yourself on YouTube later. Peace, motherfucker.
Never fight for your lane, whether you're right or wrong. What matters is your safety.
What the f are you doing?
straight!
I apologize.
You're lucky I don't knock you the f out!
I apologize. I stopped. It wasn't. I did not mean to do that. I stopped. I apologize. Stop.
If someone's going straight, you don't turn!
I noticed my mistake and I stopped. Let's pull over. Let's pull over.
I ain't got no damage to my but smashed the f out of my foot.
I apologize.
It's all good.
I'm sorry.
Just watch out, alright?
Dude, I'm so sorry.
It's all good. My stuff's good.
Yeah, run a red light and then try sideswiping a motorcyclist. Why not?
Hey, what the bro? Hey, bro. I just want to let you know, bro, be careful, bro. You almost took me out back there.
I almost took you out.
I was making a right. I was on the right side. I signaled before I made a right to, you know, make a right back there. And you just merged, bro. I was this close.
Oh, yeah, I ain't trying to have you get hurt, bro.
I'm just letting you know, bro. Pay more attention, bro. It's all good, though, you know? All right. Insurance, bro. All right.
What's up?
Nothing gives you the right to damage someone's property or even touch it.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
We're walking on the sidewalk and you're behind us like that?
What do you want me to do? Go on the road?
Yeah.
You want me to go on the...
f***ing business on the sidewalk.
Oh, that's my bad, bro.
Huh?
Get out of my way then.
Get out of your way.
Yeah, bro. I'm right behind you. You're just standing there.
You got the camera on?
Yep, it's right on.
Okay. Give me yeah. Call him right now. Yeah, they should see what you did.
Give me my camera right now.
Go.
Γιατί πας ανάποδα, ρε Ματ? Γιατί πας ανάποδα? Και πας ανάποδα, και πας ανάποδα, και δεν σταματάς. Θέλω να στρίψω στενάκι. Για σκάτι που σαν και εσένα την έχω την κάμερα.
Good progressive braking saved this biker's day.
Jogador. Meu amigo, você tá... Tem bem aqui atrás uma faixa. Tem uma faixa de pedestre aqui atrás. Você tá errado, meu amigo. Uma faixa de pedestre a 5 metros, pô.
Believe it or not, this biker got pulled over for having a GoPro on his helmet. The cop claimed it was illegal because it's not an essential, and because it poses a risk.
Hi there.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Hey, I stopped you today because you have that camera on the side of your helmet.
Okay.
You can't have anything attached to your helmet here in Washington.
You can't.
No.
I was completely unaware of that.
What's that?
I was unaware of
You
that.
can't have anything on your helmet.
Really? Not even on the front?
What's that?
Not even like on the front? Really?
Let me see your driver's license.
Yeah.
And you have the bike registration?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
That really? That's weird.
Okay. Hang tight for me, I'll be right back.
Okay.
And in the meantime, why don't you try taking that thing off of there, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, I won't fight you today, but don't have it on in Washington anymore, okay? And if you have buddies you ride with, tell them the same thing, okay?
So as far as Idaho goes,
I don't know, you have to check with Idaho. I only can afford one.
yeah.
Later, the biker almost got run off the road and decided to put the GoPro back on. What do you think? Do GoPros actually pose any risk for us?
No foreign object to be mounted on the helmet. Gotcha.
YouTube thinks you'll love this next video, so go ahead and check it out.